In a world of endless apps and digital noise, it's surprising that the answer can just be a pen and a notebook. At least that's what I found since I started the Bujo method, the bullet journal method. I picked up this guide to help me start my bullet journaling journey a few years back. Ryder Carroll is the originator of this method, and this guidebook by him explains the productivity method he invented, starting not with how to organize your life, but why. And that distinction makes all the difference. Carroll developed the system to manage his childhood attention deficit disorder, and what began as a personal workaround became a global movement. This method blends a planning system, a calendar, a diary, a mindfulness practice into one flexible analog tool. All you need is a notebook and a pen, although there are certain kind of notebooks that work better. And at its core are three deceptively simple steps: track the past, order the present, and design the future. But what really sets this book apart is its emphasis on intentional living, aligning the things you spend your days doing with things you truly believe in. I think it's less a productivity hack and more a quiet philosophy for a distracted age. And much of this book, in fact, deals with explaining this way of thinking. I think the irony of recommending a pen and paper system has only deepened in the age of AI assistants and smart calendars. To me, the method feels more relevant than ever. When everything digital is vying for my attention, the deliberate slowness of writing by hand turns out to be a feature, not a bug. Beautifully simple, surprisingly deep, and endlessly adaptable, this book is worth reading regardless of how organized you think you already are. Recommend.